May mga tanong ka ba sa buhay na obvious na ang mga sagot? I am Aaron Gogna and I welcome you to Gognats, Nuggets of Wisdom, Wit, and Wackiness. May mga tinatanong ka ba sa buhay na obvious na yung sagot? Parang ganito, itong tasa. Ang tanong, bakit dapat dito lang umiinom, hindi pwede rito? Ito lang ang ginagamit pag inom. Ito hindi pwedeng gamitin pag inom. Ito lang. Anong sagot? Sige, subukan mo. Uminom dito. Matatapon. Obvious ang sagot. May mga tanong ka ba sa buhay na obvious na yung sagot, pero tinatanong mo pa rin? Katulad ng, bakit ka may sakit? Ay, obvious ang sagot. Baka hindi mo inaalagaan sarili mo. Hindi maganda yung kinakain mo. Hindi ka natutulog. Ako, maraming sagot. Pero alam mo na yung sagot. Pero tinatanong pa rin. O pwedeng nagtatanong ka, bakit wala akong pera? Alam mo na yung sagot. Magastos ka siguro. O kaya, hindi ka nag-iipon. O hindi ka nag-i-invest. O anuman, alam mo na yung sagot. O bakit marami akong kaaway? Alam mo na rin yung sagot. Obvious na. Hindi ka marunong umiti. At pag hindi ka nakakausap ng matino, you know the answers to your questions. So what do you need to do? Don't ask anymore because you know the answer to them. So what do you need to do? Answer them. Sagutin mo na yung mga tanong na yan na alam mo na yung sagot. Katulad ng bakit ka may sakit? Anong sagot? Alagaan mo na sarili mo. Bakit? Isa lang yang sarili mo. Isa lang yan. Ano pa? Bakit wala kang pera? Alam mo na yun yung sagot. So gawin mo na ito. Bakit feeling mo malungkot ka? Alam mo na rin ang sagot. Baka malayo ka sa Diyos. So do something about it. Instead of just asking many questions with obvious answers, do something about it. This is my prayer for you because I know you know the answer and you can answer your questions because they're very obvious. And believe me, you're going to see answers very soon because you are not answering it alone. God will send people to remind you. Maybe Gognats is a reminder that God is using so that you will find the answer to obvious questions in life. I want you to watch Gognats every single day, Monday to Friday. And then I would like you to share this to your friends. Maybe they will find answers as well. This has been Aaron Gogna, and this is Gognats. Thank you, and we will see you again tomorrow. God bless your day.